To North Africa because as the coronavirus pandemic continues to restrict movement of goods and services, Egypt has begun wheat harvest to lift its falling reversed. The North African country heavily relies on wheat and plans were already in place to expand its cultivation. Farmers are now busy harvesting without much concerns about application of the preventive measures recommended by health authorities. Let's have more of that in this report.
With the panic caused by COVID-19, Cairo has been rushing to increase its reserve of wheat after several countries declared restrictions on exports. Egypt was already increasing wheat cultivation area by about 10%, but waves of extreme weather decreased land productivity.
The heavy rains we have seen had an impact because of the massive volume of water absorbed in the ground. We had to harvest manually instead of using machinery. That has been the biggest challenge we have seen this year after expecting a promising season.
Harvesting season is here, which is still good news for a nation that relies heavily on wheat. Although social distancing is advised under the pandemic, yet farmers find themselves obliged to bring in more manpower.
No one can stay at home because the harvesting season has begun. We thought about getting half the labor to harvest, but because of the rain, it takes more people to harvest the crop because it's more challenging than when the field is dry.
Egypt is one of the biggest wheat importers in the world. It's been saving a 3-month reserve of that strategic crop. The harvest season boosts reserves by about 3.6 million tons, increasing the national reserve to be sufficient for up to 8 months.